That's Bush Combin, led by the DP Ahazum Bisalaka government, SP Pascal Amade, in directors of the IGP of Police Tunde Dusi and Imo CP Audu Buso. We are now at Umedo.
Can you imagine? These people will catch Fulani herdsmen. They will let them go. These people will catch their own fellow Igbo brother. Let me say they will catch their own Igbo person. They will kidnap the person. They will put the person inside prison. But if these people catch Fulani herdsmen, they will let them go. This is what we call nonsense in Igbo land. This is what we called they don't know what they are doing. You see them, all of them are foolish. They don't know what they are doing. Instead of them to go after Fulani herdsmen, they are here now shouting, "Who say men no day, men day," looking for their own brother to buy. Instead of them to go inside the bush and search for Fulani herdsmen and the bandits, they are now searching for their own brother, like say they are searching for chicken. Can you imagine? See what they are doing. See what they are doing. After everything now, you tell me that Igbo youth are clean their own follow Igbo youth. So if you carry gun and want to kill me and I kill you first, that is 50-50. Because I cannot wait until you kill me before I will kill you. So my fellow Biafrans, do well to share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. May God bless you.
That's Bush Combin, led by the DP Ahazum Bisalaka government, SP Pascal Amade, in directors of the IGP of Police Tunde Dusi and Imo CP Audu Buso. We are now at Umedo, at the river popularly known as Uzako, Yukot, where the bush combing will continue in directives of the IGP and CP to flush out all miscreants, all undesirable elements in the area terrorizing the place, especially the Fulani herdsmen and the bandits terrorizing the country, so that the farmers will go to farm and the citizenry will move about without fear of being harassed and molested. That is the man there with the DPO. Don't go back. Don't go close. Don't go close. That is. Don't go there. Go back, that's the gully that has devastated Afobe, Aforu, Ekumedo.
Serve as hideout.
Iyozako, Amimo, Ikeduru Road. This road leads to Ikeduru. It also connects Mbano.
So we take note of this place as can be as a hideout for the criminals.
Yes. This is a flashpoint and has been taken note of so that criminals will not hide in this place. That's the combing continuing.
On the illegal miners.
George Eke, that is the commander, Nigerian Forest Security Services, Zumbise. Come.
Hey! Remain. The bad boys, they started running. Yeah.
We are not a Yuzako. That's Yuzako. That's popularly known as the Yukot, connecting Obohia in Ayazumbise local government and Onimo, Ikeduru. Okay, man. I don't know what you're going to say. He won't I chose when I leave them. I'm going to go back. I don't yeah. Let's go back. Ajairigwe, the commander security organization, Homeland Security. I have Zumbise. Too much of men is too much. We do. I'm but I can come board the whole bush in our house. Make sure that everyone is peace in our house. So I know today. I ain't talking about peace in our house. No. So we are trying. This is Obo here, Van der behind the cable. So we are going down. We are going. Lanya. Well, but I know people movement. I want peace movement. Hello. Stop that call there. Stop that call. Franco. Yes, let's go. That's the river linking Obohia in Ayazumbise local government with Onimo in Ikeduru local government. Uzako River. That's Uzako River. Popular known as the Yukot. The men are on bush combing. In accordance with the directives of the IGP Tunde Duse and the Imo CP Audu Bosso Gaba. We are now at the river. The sun dredging at the river.
Today, love day, now the kind of no talk up, for no even open mouth to talk up here. Now, because of the war and the oppressors, the war and the intimidation of the Southeast, now make it see now the kind of they do this thing. Now make I tell on our side. If on our releasing now the kind of all this key go stop for ease. People use and they do business. People use and they cash out. People they use it now the kind of they cash out. It happened when Asari been there detention here. They go kidnap somebody, go they release Asari, but the people go still go pay ransom, they go release the person. And Asari don't send them. When Asari the detention, also kidnapping, everywhere kidnapping, Asari don't send them. They use and they make money for themselves. If on ourselves will be one Nigeria, we will see that one Nigeria for I. We will see the unity.
Anokwam no wem on attack justice for this one, justice for this one, justice for this one. They beat him, oh, he's innocent too. Me, I believe the story with you guys. I believed it. I believe the story initially with you all. With the injuries, I know sympathizers, sentiment, and the whole lot. Even some of my friends sent money to the sister Chedemma. I'm telling you the reality. I understand how it is. Sometimes we follow trend, and I understand how it is. But one thing I understand is there is need for thorough investigation. It has happened to me now. People were against me. Several people were against me. They nearly crucified me, took my head. But nobody came to us, find out to know what happened, what transpired. Do you understand? So me, I no go fit join people to send innocent person go prison, go for my dead body. To never happen. I was on my own. You people tagged me. I left Asaba on Monday, sit at home to Enugu, pay taxi, airport taxi from here to Enugu. You can ask how much taxi they carry person drop off from Asaba to Enugu. I paid for hotel in Enugu. I won't a lot. I did I don't like saying things I did. I was seeking for justice for this young man. But when I got there, there was evidence, there was witnesses. The boy also admitted that he committed the crime. Not just this crime, other crimes that he committed. Several. Many of them. So you want me to stand with him at that point? It's not possible. The best place was for him to be sent to prison. It's a correctional facility. Because if this boy, they outside, I see, they go mob this boy. Because a lot of people, cases, plenty. No. Even the mother, the parents, the papa, the mama know. Say this boy, this kind of person. They know, they confirmed it that day now. They confirmed it. So now, you need to take out emotions, sentiments in some of these issues. You understand? I know there are injuries on his face, and the injury don't go. That's why in law, not like sentiment and emotions. Even when the police picked him up that day, that his injuries, he was sustained all these injuries, the police did not detain him. That's human face. They said, go and treat yourself and then return back. Do you understand? Go treat yourself and then come back. They allowed him go. Not because they can't detain him like that, but at least they need to need to be fit to stand for trial. And after the treatment, look at him, he was fit for trial. And today he was charged. So I'm not wicked though. I did not spoil any case. So I only went there, discovered the truth, and that's it. You understand? Now there are victims too who would have started dragging me on social media that I stood with a criminal, I stood with this and this and that too. You know, the way people are telling me I'm wicked, I'm this and that. That's how the victims would have come to social media now and start set camera. That hey, one Harris left us about and standing with somebody that stole from them. People will join them and be dragging me, and be dragging me, and be dragging me.